calling. Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight.
Hi guys, welcome back, and today's video is on Valentine's Day makeup look. So this is what I've come up with. I hope you all enjoy it. This is my first video that I'm shooting in this new year, practically and actually really. All the videos that were uploaded in the beauty segment was either pre-shot, pre-edited and all that. This is the first video that I am really shooting, filming it in the new year. So I'm super excited and I'm really happy the way this look has turned out to be. So I hope you enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I've created this look, then please keep on watching. Let's begin. So first I will start by applying cream to my face. So I'm just using my standard face moisturizer. This is from Nature's Republic, and this is the Aqua Super Max combination to watery moisturizer. Then I'm going to start with priming my eyes first, and for this I will be using Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the shade medium. I'm just going to apply basically to all over my eyelids, all the way up to my brow. And then with PAC 218 brush, I'm just going to blend this in. I'm going to set this concealer with the setting powder, and here I'm using Rimmel Stay Matte powder. The first shade that I will be going in with is from Colourpop, and this is the shade IOU. This is how it looks. Basically, I am just going to start with the lighter shade and then move to the darker shade. And for this I am taking Sigma E40 brush. Then with the PAC 204 brush, I will be using another shade from Colourpop, which is Making Moves, and this is quite pinky shade. And I will be applying it exactly into the crease and blending it in a circular as well as windshield wiper motion. I'll be going back again to Sigma E40 brush to just blend it out. The shade that I'll be using is from Colourpop Cosmetics, and this is the shade Fair Play. And again, I will be going into the crease and deepening it up. I will be applying it to the outer V, the outer V of the eye. Then from the NYX Color Bright palette, I'll be taking this purple eyeshadow. They don't have a name to it, but yeah, I will be taking that. And I'm just taking a pencil brush.
Close your eyes and listen to the beat of my heart. Take my hand, don't be afraid. I love
going to darken this up so that it gets some dimension. And for this I will be using the same pack 204 brush, and will take a little bit of Cloud 9 eyeshadow. This is from Colourpop. Now with Sigma E40 brush, I'm just going to go to the first lighter shade and just going to blend this all in. With the help of Sigma E56, which is a shader brush, something like this, I'm going to take a very light pink shade from NYX palette and then apply it all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to end, which is going to stop at the 3/4 of the eye. Name of this shade is Snake Eyes. It's a very pretty shade. I don't know if you can make it out. Nice foiled glitter, superb. So with my fingers, I'm just going to apply it at the on top of the pink color that we just applied.
Throwing caution to the wind. I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home.
Now I'm just going to take the same pink shade and apply it to the lower lash line, and then just going to deepen it up with the dark shade that we just applied.
Hearts and run free into the wild.
Okay, so I'm back and I did my eyebrows and did apply mascara, like heavy mascara, 3-4 coats, because really heavy mascara, and if you're using a good quality mascara, you don't need false eyelashes like for most of the part. I find it really tedious to apply false lashes personally, so I prefer going in for 3-4 coats of mascara. So here I am, and let's start quickly with the rest of the makeup. So because this is Valentine's special, I will be going in with dewy, lustrous kind of a skin. I don't want matte skin, and for this I will be using Becca's Backlight priming filter, and this is the first time I'm using it, so I will be applying it to all my face.
Take my hand, don't be afraid. A love like ours just can't be.
If you can make out, guys, this is shiny. This is really giving that glow, that shine to my face. I will be going in with the foundation, but before that I will just very lightly apply this concealer for my under eyes, though I don't have heavy under eyes. It's just in case. And to conceal some acne marks, some pimples, some tiny here and there, and then I'm going to use my pack 218 brush to blend this in. You just want to press it in and then blend and not drag, because then wherever you would apply the concealer is just going to go away. You don't want the product to go. You want to blend it in and do what is needed, and that is to conceal. So I'm just going to press it into my skin. So I'll be using my foundation in the HourGlass Vanish Stick Foundation, and I'm in the shade Amber.
I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take.
Now I'm going to set this with Rimmel's matte setting powder, and I'm really going to very lightly set this. I don't want to because I don't want a very matte look, but I also don't want to look oily too quick, too fast. So I'm just going to set this in, but very gently. I will not apply it to all over my face. I'm just going to apply to areas where I normally secrete oil, where I get oily very soon. That's it. That's about it. Now I'm going to bronze my face, and for this I'll be using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is how it looks. It looks very light. I'm really not sure how it's going to look on me. But yeah, like really, let's give it a try.
Running so fast, can you find me in the dark?
This time I'll be using Oldie But a Goodie blush from MAC, and this is a beautiful pink shade, little dusty, rosy kind of, extremely pigmented, and the shade name is Pinch Me. So
Take my heart, just feel the beat. We'll leave tonight.
then I'm going to go with a highlighter, and today I'll be using my PAC highlighter, Baked Highlighter Brick, and this is in the shade 7, I guess. Since this is like from their very first launch, very first batch, so they don't have number printed on the box, but I think this is number 7. Yeah. I'm using the fan brush from Sigma, and this is in the name F40. Sorry, and this is in the number F41. Time for some lipstick, and I think I will be going with the bold lipstick. Let us try. So I will be showing you a different lip combination for this look, and you can decide whether you want to go bold or you want to just tone it down. And for this I will be using 3 lipsticks actually. 2 from Colourpop Cosmetics and another one from MAC. That's a lip gloss.
I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight. We defeat all impossibilities. Yeah, you and me. We'll take our
And then I will be just topping it off with a gloss, because I get these glossy, sexy vibes on a Valentine's Day. So always just not go for the gloss, just going for the matte thing and stop over there. But I like these glossy vibes, so this is the second lip option.